Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're over here again. So in my previous video I showed you people my daytime or morning skincare routine. So in this video I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. I've been meaning to film this video for a very long time, but I've just been really busy. But I'm doing it tonight and this is like past 11, so I have to keep my voice down so people will not hear my voice and start thinking something's going on in my house. So I'm just going to make this very short. The other video was like 16 minutes long. Honestly, trust me, it wasn't my intentions. Like, I don't like traditional long videos, but sometimes I just can't help it because I just have something extra to say. But today, trust me, I'm going to keep it like really short. And for the most part of the video, I'm not going to be giving you any gist. I'm just going to like go straight into it and not waste so much of your time. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I do is to cleanse my face with my CeraVe foaming cleanser. So this is for normal to oily skin. This is what it looks like. This is it. So I just literally put this on my face and just cleanse. So if you notice, like for the other video, my cleanser was Panodil, but for this I'm using CeraVe because I think my esthetician said at night your routine has to be gentler. Like you don't have to really use I don't know if it's maybe at night it has to be gentler. Whatever. I'm not talking too much in this video. I've said it. So I go in with this and rub for a minute. You know our 60-second existing rule, so I have to do this for 60 seconds. Honestly guys, when I was filming this video, I said I was not going to talk, but I'm still going to talk. When I wanted to start filming this video, I told myself that okay, I was going to tie a towel since I was going to have a bath. It's like past 11, so I have to like have my nighttime bath. But these days, some of my family members are already watching my channel, so if I tie a towel now, they will say I shall always in my eyes, you know, that kind of thing, that oh, you are tying towel on KiaNi. So that's why I'm wearing this. So I have to go in with this. Why is it drying out so fast? Because I'm not in the bathroom. It's drying out faster than it should. So I have to do this for like a minute. I need to dampen my face. I need to dampen my face more so people can see this really ladder up. What's ladder? Anyway guys, so yes, this is it. I do this for 60 seconds, rub everything in and make sure my skin is cleansed. So the difference between this and Panodil is this has like more foaming power. Panodil is not like, it doesn't foam when you apply it on your skin, it's just there. So it's a creamy wash, it's not like gel like. This is like gel like, so it gives you all the softness. So guys, okay, I think my 1 minute is up now, so I'm heading to the bathroom to wash this off, then I will be back. Welcome back. So this is me. I just got out of the shower now, and yeah, I had to come and do this. So moving forward, you know the thing I said in the previous video, I use toilet paper to clean my face, or call it kitchen napkin, anyone, but this is not like regular toilet paper though, because it's like it has more water retaining power or something, whatever, so it doesn't like cling to your face and everything. So I don't believe in the have a separate towel for your face and whatever if you're trying to avoid bacteria or transferring bacteria on your skin. So I think the best way is just to use things you can dispose on your face, and that just makes it easier. For me, it makes it easier. I don't have to worry about making sure my towel dries or it doesn't get in contact with any dirty surface or anything. So once I'm done, I just dispose. So this is still going to be almost the same as the last time. It's just a slight change. So this is it. First, I'm going with my cleanser. You saw this the last time. This is the Aquel Liquorish cleanser. So I'm going to go in with this to clean my face. I don't know if I mentioned the price of this thing. I think somebody asked me on WhatsApp after watching my video. I don't know why the person did ask me yet though. I don't know if person's come and ask me on YouTube, but she was like, no, she prefers to ask me on WhatsApp. So I got it for I think 8,000 naira. Yes, it was for 8,000 naira. But I think other stores online is cheaper though. But for that store, it was for 8,000. Other stores you can get for like maybe 5,000 to maybe 6,000. But for the store I got it from was 8,000 naira. I couldn't wait for the brand I ordered from online because I really needed to get into using it, so I just had to buy it like that. So yeah, I go in and I clean my face with this. Clean. Second cleansing. I cleanse twice by the way, so I don't leave any residue or whatever behind. Then I don't know, whenever I come out of the shower I always feel like I look like a ghost because I'm like whiter. I think it happens to everybody though, but anyway. So guys, see, it is important to clean your face. Even though I just had the bath and I washed my face thoroughly, it was still dirty. So yeah, done my cleanser. Up next is this pore minimizer. I'm going to go in with this Tiam pore minimizer. It's almost out. I think I need to get a new one to show you that this video has been long overdue. See, like it's almost out. So at this point, you know, in my previous video I said, oh, I don't apply the pea-sized roll. Now I apply the pea-sized roll because this thing is expensive. So right now I apply the pea-sized roll, and I think I see it when they say don't I don't know, don't be ignorant, that's the word. So because for even applying the pea-sized roll, actually I noticed that it is easier for my skin to soak up everything now that I apply that roll. I know in the previous video I said, oh, I don't apply the roll or whatever, but now I think I'm going to apply because it's easier for my skin to just soak everything in and just makes it like feel better. So this is just rubbing it in, and making sure it sits in. So this basically just helps with the oiliness of your skin. If you have visible pores, it like refines your pores. I used to have like a lot of pores around this part of my face and it's not as visible as it used to be. So this is one product I'm not letting go anytime soon. So yeah, we're not there yet, but we're getting there. So that down. Up next is our advanced snail essence. You guys know this product, it was in the previous video, so this is it. Remember, by keeping this video short and simple, straight to the point. So now, you know, the previous video I said I do 6 pops. Please, that's actually a waste. Now I just do 3 pops, 1, 2 and 3, and that just goes in. I just sucks everything up faster. The 6 pops was actually too much because now that I using this, I decided to reduce it to like 3 pops, and I just feel like okay, it's better. My face does not feel all clogged up with skincare product and stuff, and it's easier for this to just seep into my skin and without leaving any excess on the surface you get. So another thing this thing does, in as much as it serves as a moisturizer, it also helps like strengthen your skin barrier, because if you are treating acne like I am, you are actually putting some harsh substance on your face you get. So you need to like prep your skin like to be able to like withstand whatever you throw at it to help you heal the problem. So guys, I'm pleased to announce to you that right now I've gotten out of the old recurrent acne, waking up with acne every morning, because at this point I don't wake up with acne every morning again. So all I'm just trying to do now is to fight my spots and just to make my spots disappear, so that any part of my face can at least be like this part of my face that is like, you know, spotless, but the spots are still there. So let's see, the acne has stopped popping. Now we are treating spots. Up next is what is the next thing? This my skincare sometimes they confuse me, but yes, this is it. Up next is Dr Jart. So this was in the previous video too. This just helps you lock in moisture. So this is, oh no, this was not in the previous video, was it? I don't know, I don't think it was, because this is just for my 9-time routine. It was not in the previous video. If it was, that means I'm an olodo. So this just helps you lock in moisture. So it's more or less like if you have like a really dry skin, once you put any moisturizing product on your skin, you have to apply this Dr Jart's ceramidin cream. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it here. So this is what it looks like. So you just apply and it just locks in moisture for you, and just make everything you apply sit inside. So the step at which I'm applying this is basically what is recommended by my esthetician. So this is just the application step for all the products. So you don't just apply your skincare anyhow. There has to be like a routine. Like you're kind of, just the same way when you wear makeup, most people they do their brows first, or you do your foundation and everything, but brows, like most people do their brows first. So this is like, oh, the same way there's procedure for makeup, the same way there's procedure for layering your skincare. So Dr Jart goes in and settles in to lock in all the necessary moisture. Then Kojivit Ultra. Yes, Kojivit Ultra. Guys, sorry I'm skipping. Maybe it's because it's 9th. Kojivit Ultra. So in the previous video, I think I mentioned, I showed this in the previous video. I think either the skincare unboxing video or something. I showed this. So this basically helps with brightening your skin and just helping you fight off your spots and hyperpigmentation. So I use this at night only, and I use it like 1-day intervals. If I use it today, I can't use it tomorrow. If I use it next tomorrow, like that. So I just use it like 1 day on, 1 day off. So I used it yesterday, so I'm not going to use it today because I used it yesterday. So I don't want to like overdose my skin on too much skincare again, then we go back to square one. So no. Then this is tretinoin. I just got this product, even though my esthetician recommended it. This is how it looks like. She recommended it like while she was giving me all my skincare products, but I did a couple of research, and my stubborn self, I decided not to buy it at that point because I felt like it was kind of harsh, and I just didn't want to put any really harsh stuff on my skin that would actually have like a backlash, you get. So I didn't buy it, but I just purchased it now. I know that okay, my acne is not like coming out like every other day. So this is basically used to fight off spots. Actually, yes, I think if I'm not mistaken, no, with the research I've done, it's used to like fight off spots. So this, the same way for Kojivit Ultra, you're applying this soap once in 2 days. So it's more or less like the day I'm applying Kojivit, I'm not applying tretinoin. And the day I'm applying tretinoin, I'm not applying Kojivit. So yesterday I applied Kojivit Ultra, so I'm not applying that today. But this is me unboxing, and this is like my first use it, guys. Wish me luck. And I just spray this thing, just treat this spot like as soon as possible. So for this product, you only, precise rule, you only put it where the affected area, like where you have your spots. You don't put it where you don't have anything wrong with your face, because you don't want your face to fry. So this is where I have my spots, and I'm putting it only in this area, only in the spotted areas of my face, and that's just going to be it. I'm not like spreading it around like Kojivit. I feel like I like spreading Kojivit around because I know that okay, I want general brightness for my skin, but for this it's just like the spot affected area. I'm going to put it. Okay, I think I have some spots here also. It has refused to disappear. And some here. Yeah, so guys, this is the application my esthetician recommended. So I'll just like rub that in, and that's it, guys. Wish me luck on this new products I'm introducing. If you check the last skincare product video, this is not there. So if you are suffering from, I don't know, acne scarring and the old spots issue, I think this is the product, but I'll give you a review on this. Let's see how it goes. So far so good. The other products have been wonderful, they've been excellent. And guys, before the video becomes too long, that brings me to the end of the skincare. So that's my 9 times skincare. It's quite easy, straight to the point. Cleanse your face, use your cleanser, and apply all the products step by step, and you're good to go. So yes, in the long run, guys, I don't know, life at this point, I think I would start doing life updates just like other YouTubers do. And I've been trying to be like a more dedicated YouTuber, but it's actually hard, guys. Kudos to people that put out content every other week. I've been saying, oh yes, I'll be putting out content once a week, but guys, it's a struggle because when you have other things to do, it just takes up your time. But anyway, you can do this. I'm not going to make this video long. I promise I'm not going to make it long. So that, guys, that's it for tonight. If you have any questions, please, you can ask those questions down below. And please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. I cannot like overemphasize this. At this point, I think we are at, I don't know, 121 or so. And guys, for the 121 of you, I'm really grateful, honestly. Like I keep saying, if I have 121 people in my room, that's a lot. So even though if I look small, guys, like I really appreciate it, and I don't take the love for granted. So just continue to stick by, continue to interact with my content, and I promise to keep bringing you more content. I know I've not done anything fun for a while because I've just been looking skincare, but don't worry, we are shifting soon, okay? So when the tea comes, we are still all going to enjoy it together. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep coming back. I'll be signing out. Good night. I think this is like almost 12 AM, but it's what it is. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.